presentation, practice, production, but you're putting in an extra element, which is an activity, and they reflect on that activity. It works there. This one is always popular, as I say.
I learned a lot, but most importantly is about usually in other workshops you teach theories and all this monotonous stuff, but over here they teach you the mindset of how to be a good teacher and how to remove stereotypes that teaching or learning English is hard.
Some stories are very simple, some stories are very deep. Always works, and the students love it. They love it.
Improv, not necessarily English language, whatever, but it helps you for teamwork. And one of the reasons I like improv is because it can help squash the so ignorant stuff, you know, or judging people's English.
Training or workshop is fun, but it's also practical. So we got lots of practical information.
When students go to school, do they go to school because they like school, or they go to school because they don't have a choice? They don't have a choice, right? And when they go to school, the reason is we can't ask the kids to speak English if the teachers aren't speaking English. Yes, that's right. It happened at my school when I asked a kid, "Why are you speaking English?" He said, "This also." It's like, what am I supposed to do? So the first thing is created with the teachers, the school atmosphere. Because
Thank you, Mark, Dennis, and Joe for having us, and also Miss Kiki. So I'm gonna meet you again soon.
Thank you so much English Today for the teacher training workshop, especially Mr. Dennis, Mr. Mark, and Mr. Joe. Thank you so much for your knowledge and everything.